Stovetop ice cream custard is the cooked egg yolk and dairy base used to make authentic French-style ice cream. Cooking the mixture on the stove gently thickens the proteins in the egg yolks, creating a smooth, stable ice cream base. This recipe makes 600 milliliters of Earl Grey and Bailey's liqueur custard ice cream. In a heavy bottom sauce pot, combine 200 grams high-fat cream, 200 grams whole milk, and 5 grams Earl Grey tea. Bring to a quick scalding, 180 degrees Fahrenheit. Turn off the heat and allow to steep for 15 minutes to infuse the tea flavor. In a separate bowl, mix 4 egg yolks with 60 grams sugar. Reheat the cream mixture to scalding and slowly strain the mixture into the eggs, whisking constantly. This prevents the hot milk cream mixture from scrambling the eggs. Then cook the custard in the heavy bottom sauce pot, stirring constantly with a rubber spatula, making sure to scrape the very bottom and corners of the pan. Cook for a few minutes until the custard coats the back of a spoon, about 185 degrees Fahrenheit. Immediately strain the custard into a bowl over an ice bath to stop the cooking. Mix in 30 grams Bailey's Irish cream and refrigerate overnight. Then freeze in a gelato machine until it reaches a soft serve consistency, or transferred to an airtight container to freeze harder or your favorite scoopable consistency.